Hi, I'm Gina Dansbourg, a long-time devotee and now owner of Delbove. For 50 years, we have developed botanical skincare for the most delicate epidermises. Crème and Sorcière are formulated with 19 active ingredients, amongst which you will find chamomile, lavender, arnica, cornflower, as well as sweet almond and wheat germ oils. I want to share with you the 3 steps on how to do your magic ritual. Spray the eau sorcière into 50 ml of water. To gradually adapt your skin to its active ingredients, increase dosage progressively over 1 month. Start the first week with 2 sprays, then the second week go to 4 sprays, the third week add 6 sprays, to end with 8 sprays after 4 weeks. Dip 3 cotton wool pads in the eau sorcière solution and squeeze out and reserve. Using the spatula, take a dab of crème sorcière and mix in the palm of your hands with the eau sorcière solution until your hands are milky white. Apply the emulsion to your face in circular movements to activate your blood circulation. Use the full surface of your hands and massage your face, neck and décolletage. Do not forget to include your eyes. The emulsion removes non-waterproof makeup. Repeatedly dip your fingers into the eau sorcière preparation to continue emulsifying the cream until only a thin, milky layer remains. Then remove the emulsion with the cottons you prepared. Pat dry your face with a towel and end by warming up a pea of crème sorcière in your hands and applying circular motions onto your face. Don't forget to do your ritual every morning and every evening, and especially do not forget to enjoy this precious and sensual moment with yourself.